Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to log the financial report in Clodify system. So first we need to log in and go to financials reports page. Here we can see the list of financial reports, and each of them we can log or pre-log. Like here we can pre-log, log or unprelog. Let's say I need this one. I can pre-log this one. Okay, so now it has another actions. As we can see, we can unprelog it. So maybe we want to change something, because you see we cannot edit this one. So if we will unprelog this one, here is it. Now we can edit. Let's say that we need to edit something, so we go to edit and then prelog it. If everything's fine, it was pre-logged, and I want to log this one. So the report was successfully logged. Okay, so now you can see that we cannot do anything with this report. We can see the subcontractors, we can see this information, like here we can see the information about the report and bonuses. So we cannot unprelog or prelog this one. So this is how you can log the reports. Like first you need to pre-log, you can then unprelog if you need to edit something, and then pre-log it one more time and log if everything is fine, and you can log.